Hi Radiant, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a continuation of the previous one where I showed you ladies step by step how I revamp my clients' wigs. This is the next day and the treatment mixture has been sitting on the wig for over 12 hours. By this time the treatment has done its job and the next step is for me to rinse it out. Ladies, please note, do not leave the treatment on your hair for over 24 hours, as this can cause the hair to be overly soft and lead to product buildup. Leaving it for over 12 hours is usually more than enough to achieve the result. Now let's rinse the treatment and move on to the next step of revamping, which is detangling. To detangle your hair, you can either use a brush or a white tooth comb, whichever one you are comfortable with. Whenever you are combing your closure, at this part you have to be extremely gentle. This is to avoid unnecessary shedding or breakage. Ladies, you can see how easy it is for me to detangle this wig. That is the power of our treatment. It softens the hair, restore moisture, and leave your wig with a beautiful long-lasting shine. Here I'm just showing you the closure for you to see how clean it is now. All the previous build-up products are completely gone. You can see how clean it is, and I will continue to rinse the wig until I'm totally satisfied. If you haven't seen the previous video, which is the part 1 on how to revamp your wig, kindly do well to watch the video once you are done with this one. Thank you so much and I really appreciate your support. For the second wig, to detangle it, I'm going to make use of the brush just to show you that both a brush and a comb gives the same result when detangling, as long as you are gentle with it. To detangle the hair itself, not the closure this time around, I'm talking about the main hair, you have to start from the end of the hair and work your way back to the closure. Remember the first time I only spoke about the closure, detangling, but now I'm talking about the hair itself, the bundles, the main hair that we call the wig. You have to start detangling from the end of the tips and work your way back to the closure. This is just to avoid unnecessary shedding and breakage. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share it to someone who might find it helpful as well. Continue rinsing the hair until you are satisfied that all the product has been washed out. At this stage, there is no limit to how much you rinse. Just make sure that the hair is completely clean. Once you are done, leave your wig to air dry in a cool shaded place. Ladies, please do not leave your freshly washed wig under direct sunlight. The heat from the sun can damage your hair and reduce the benefit of the treatment by drying it out. Once the wig are completely dry, it is time to style them. And here we are, ladies, the final results. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? They look just like a brand new wigs. I would love to know what you think. Let me know in the comments which of these 3 wigs is your favorite. And this brings us to the end of today's wig revamping section. If you like to know how to style your wig like a professional, make sure you watch out for our next video. I will be showing you step by step how to blow dry, straighten and properly lay your closure for a flattering result. Until then, stay blessed and bye.